Welcome back to another episode here on Liquid Legends. Ever walked into a bar mesmerized by the bartender's swift moves? It's like watching a carefully choreographed dance, except the end result is a delicious drink. And just like any good dance, bartending needs the right tools. Think of them as your dance partners, each playing a crucial role in creating those Instagram-worthy cocktails. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, understanding your tools is key. So buckle up as we dive into the world of bartending tools where we'll shake things up and stir up some fun. Let's get this party started. First up, the star of the show, the shaker. This is where the alchemy happens, where spirits mingle and flavors collide. The two main types are the Boston shaker, a two-part tin-on-tin system, and the cobbler shaker, a three-piece wonder with a built-in strainer. The Boston shaker, favored by professionals, is all about that cool two-handed action. It's perfect for shaking the living daylights out of your cocktails. The cobbler shaker, with its strainer cap, is your go-to for solo mixing adventures. No bartender's arsenal is complete without a shaker. It's where the cocktail's journey begins, transforming simple ingredients into liquid masterpieces. The Boston shaker is all about efficiency and control. Its two-part design allows for quick separation, minimizing spillage. Mastering the shake with a Boston shaker is a rite of passage for any aspiring bartender. The cobbler shaker, on the other hand, is all about convenience. Its compact design and built-in strainer make it ideal for home bartenders or those with limited space. No matter your choice, the shaker is the heart of your bartending setup, ready to transform your cocktail dreams into reality. Next, we have the jigger, the unsung hero of consistency. It's a bartender's best friend, ensuring every drink is perfectly balanced. Available in various sizes, jiggers take the guesswork out of measuring, helping you avoid those oops, too strong moments. From the classic hourglass shape to the sleek Japanese jigger, there's a style for everyone. Using a jigger might seem tedious at first, but trust me, your taste buds will thank you. And let's not forget the jiggers, essential for precise measurements. They come in various sizes, typically with a 1 Oz side and a 2 Oz side. Some jiggers even feature a 1.5 ounces side, offering more versatility for your cocktail creations. Consistent measurements ensure that every cocktail tastes exactly as it should, every single time. No more, no less. Plus, using a jigger helps with portion control. You can say goodbye to those accidental overpours and hello to a longer night of delicious cocktails. So, ditch the free pouring and embrace the jigger. Your cocktails will be all the better for it. Now let's talk about the mixing glass, a symbol of elegance and sophistication. This is where you build your stirred cocktails, those drinks that require a gentle touch. Think of it as the cocktail's meditation space, where flavors meld slowly and gracefully. The mixing glass is typically made from thick, durable glass, designed to withstand the chill of ice without cracking. The act of stirring a cocktail is an art form in itself. The slow, deliberate movements create a silky, smooth texture, chilling the drink without over-diluting it. The mixing glass is also your canvas for creating layered cocktails. With a steady hand and a bit of practice, you can create visually stunning drinks that are sure to impress. So, if you're looking to elevate your cocktail game, a mixing glass is a must-have. Once you've shaken or stirred your cocktail to perfection, you need a strainer to separate the liquid gold from the ice. Enter the Hawthorne strainer, a bartender's best friend when it comes to achieving that smooth, debris-free cocktail. With its tightly coiled spring and convenient handle, the Hawthorne strainer fits snugly over your mixing glass, ensuring that only the chilled cocktail makes it into your glass. For stirred cocktails, you'll want to reach for the julep strainer, a large, perforated spoon-like tool. Its elegant design and gentle curve make it perfect for straining cocktails from a mixing glass. No matter your poison, a good strainer is essential for achieving that professional-looking cocktail. It's the difference between a smooth, enjoyable drink and a mouthful of ice shards. Don't be fooled by its name, the bar spoon is more than just a spoon. This long, slender tool is a bartender's multi-tool, used for stirring, layering, and even fishing out those pesky cherries from the bottom of the jar. The bar spoon's long, twisted handle allows for effortless stirring, ensuring that your cocktails are perfectly chilled without becoming watered down. The bar spoon is also a bartender's secret weapon for creating layered cocktails. Its narrow bowl and precise design allow you to gently pour liqueurs over the back of the spoon, creating stunning layers of color and flavor. So next time you're at the bar, take a moment to appreciate the humble bar spoon. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest tools are the most versatile. For those cocktails that pack a punch of fresh flavor, you need a muddler. This sturdy tool is used to crush fruits, herbs, and spices, releasing their essential oils and adding a burst of freshness to your drinks. From classic mojitos to refreshing mint juleps, the muddler is your go-to tool for extracting maximum flavor from your ingredients. When using a muddler, remember to be gentle. You're aiming to release the flavors, not pulverize the ingredients. A light press is all you need to extract those essential oils and add a touch of aromatic complexity to your cocktails. Ice, often overlooked, is the unsung hero of the cocktail world. It's not just about keeping your drinks cold. It's an essential ingredient that affects both the texture and the taste of your cocktails. Investing in a good ice mold will elevate your cocktail game to new heights. Large ice cubes or spheres melt slower, preventing over-dilution and ensuring that your cocktails stay perfectly chilled without becoming watery. They also add a touch of sophistication to your drinks. So, ditch the flimsy ice trays and treat yourself to some high-quality ice molds. Your cocktails will thank you. No cocktail is complete without a splash of fresh citrus juice. A citrus juicer is a must-have tool for any aspiring bartender. It makes juicing lemons and limes a breeze, extracting maximum juice with minimal effort. Freshly squeezed citrus juice adds a brightness and vibrancy to your cocktails that you just can't replicate with store-bought juice. Plus, it takes only a few seconds to juice a lemon or lime, so there's really no excuse for using that bottled stuff. The garnish is the finishing touch that elevates your cocktail from ordinary to extraordinary. A well-chosen garnish not only enhances the visual appeal of your drink, but also adds another layer of flavor and aroma. From classic citrus twists to elegant cocktail onions, the possibilities for garnishes are endless. Get creative and experiment with different fruits, herbs, and spices to find your signature garnish. Just like an orchestra relies on the harmonious interplay of various instruments, creating the perfect cocktail involves a symphony of tools. Each tool plays a vital role, from the shaker that sets the rhythm to the garnish that adds the final flourish. Mastering these tools is an ongoing journey, one that involves practice, experimentation, and a dash of creativity. As you become more familiar with your tools, you'll develop your own unique style and techniques, crafting cocktails that are both delicious and visually stunning. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of bartending tools. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to gather your tools and embark on your own cocktail-making adventures. Remember, the most important ingredient is to have fun and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, Liquid Legends, to help this video be seen by more aspiring bartenders across the globe. Cheers!